Hi friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to install and configure the Kbite notification app on your Shopify store. Actually, Kbite is used to add some notify me option to our out of stock racks. So customers can receive alerts when products are back in stocks. So this helps improve the customer's experience and increase your stays. So let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So, first you have to log into your Shopify admin panel, and then in the left hand side, in the app section, you can see an add button. So, we have to add the app into your Shopify admin panel first. So, just click on add button and you can see the discover more in the Shopify app store. So, just click on Shopify app store. Now, we have to search for the Kbite app so that you can just search and then find the app in this result. Now, this is our mentioned app. So you can just click on this to see their installation page. Now, in this page, you can see some overviews and some key points of this particular app. Just go through this and you can see the pricing plan also here. So they provide some free plans and I recommend you to start with their free plan. So if everything is okay, you can just upgrade to their paid plan also. And scrolling down, you can see some different merchants reviews. So just go through this, and if everything is okay and if this fits to your online store, just hit on install button. Now our installation process is starting. So Shopify app will automatically install this app into your admin panel. So this pop-up is basically what this app need access to and why. So I recommend you to go through all the details and read all the instructions, and the uh, privacy policy also is there. So I recommend you to go through all this, and if everything is okay to you and to your online store, just click on install button. Now the app is added to your admin panel like this, and there are different sections or in dashboards of this app showing up here. Now we have to fill up the or we have to go through the three main steps. So this is a welcome message to have why this app and what are the features inside and all. So I'm just clicking on next, and there are mainly three steps to for the app to be worked on. So first we have to enable the app embed, and then we have to choose our preferred billing plan, and then we have to enable the back store widget into our section. So let's do one by one. So this is a plan selection pop-up, so I'm preferring the free plan, so I'm start with the free trade plan. Now we have to go to the app first to expand its dashboard. Now you can see the setup guide. First one is the app embed enable. So I have already enabled the theme store. So if you are not enabled this, you can just click on the app embed settings here, and you can see the editor page over here, and make sure that the app embed toggle is active or on in the left hand side. In my case, it's toggled on. For you, if it is not toggled on, just click on toggled on and you can see the save button here. So just go for saving it. And now come back to our app, and then next one is the app widget enable. So we have to open the widget settings for now. So click on widget setting. Now you can see that the backend stock button, how it to be positioned. Either we can have this show it as a side button, you can see the preview. So in my case, I'm just planning to have this below the sold out button, and you can just enable the notify me button on sold out products. Now this is toggled on, and the button text and the message after subscribe, everything you can customize. Actually, I'm not adding any or adding any alteration. because I'm okay with the default one. Like notify me when available in this button is fine for me. And message after subscribe, we will notify you when the item is available. This is also fine for me. And the background color and also the text color are okay for me because my this black and white theme will be suitable for my store theme, so it's okay for me. And the form content also, you can change the heading to notify me when available, and the subheading you can just have we will notify you when the product is back in stock. Everything I'm not adding any. And you can also show some variant selector. And yeah, in the post form submission you can have the success message and the close text message on close text, and the invalid email. If it is not an invalid, if it is an invalid mail, you can just go with some error message like to please provide valid mail. Everything you can see up here. And there are some notification settings to be used only when we are in an update plan. So leave it that, and you can have some other free plan options. So just go for saving it. And if you want to notify the customers when the price drop is there, and you can just enable this. And the same settings over here goes through this. And yeah, I'm just always use the below add to cart button as the placement, and I'm just saving it. Now let's test this up in our online store, how this looks like. So I have to select one product which are in not in stock. So I'm just searching for some product which are out of stock. So this in my store, this product is a large, the variant large XL and double XL are not in stock. So on selecting this, you can see that the notify me when available button is showing. And on clicking this, you can see that the notify me when available title and the subtitle. And since we have enabled the variant selection, it's showing like this. And if we are adding an invalid mail, you can see that the error message. And also you can submit some with some valid mail. I'm just giving like this, and I'm hitting on notify me. Now the success stores is showing, and after that submission you can see the button change text is changed to we will notify when the item is available. So that's how you can just create or you can just enable a notify me button into your Shopify product page. So if you this find helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching.